Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, March 15 Wednesday market. After 9:15 am, market open gap up and 40,000 range. Market followed previous day buying momentum also. This momentum followed up to 10:30 am. After 10:30 bearish momentum, so sell call generated. Sell at 39,764. That is our entry point line. Every day in live market, on daily basis, you will receive calls like this: buy, sell, entry point, exit point. Like this, every day you will receive calls in this chart. It's an automatic process. Automatically you will receive calls in this chart. For chart subscription, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan details also. This sell call generator followed up to the 30 minutes momentum. After 30 minutes, market again in bearish momentum. First target breakout, 100-point movement has been in the downside. At 664, breakout has been happened. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail also. Thank you.